In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Disney Pixar animation filter on Instagram, and it's pretty easy to do, so let's get started. Okay, so if you're on Instagram and you go to your filter gallery and search for the Disney filter and look through, you'll find that all the effects that come up aren't quite as good as the filter that everyone else uses, and that's because they're actually using the filter from Snapchat. So you want to go ahead and install Snapchat and sign up if you don't have it already, and that only takes a couple of minutes. After you have signed up, just open up Snapchat and you'll be on your main camera screen just like this. Now go ahead and tap on the smiley face next to the camera record button and a bunch of filters will pop up. At this point, you just want to tap on Explore at the bottom right of your screen and you should be taken here. From here, you just want to go to the top of your screen to the search bar and type cartoon. And you need to then tap on the one that says cartoon 3D style, and it should say that it was created by Snapchat just below it. And now your camera will come up with this filter enabled, and you can change the gender just by tapping if you want to. And all you just need to do at this point is take a picture with it, press save at the bottom left, and now it should be saved to your main camera page, so you can find it from here every time you want to use it. So just go back there, and this is where you want to record your video for Instagram. So I'm just going to record a quick short video for this tutorial, of course, and once you have recorded it, just tap on the save button at the bottom to save it to your camera roll. Now all we want to do is go ahead and open up Instagram, then swipe to the left, and you'll come to your camera. Now you need to decide what you're uploading, whether it be a story, reels, or a post. I'm just going to choose a story. Now just tap on the upload button at the bottom left of the screen, and then just tap on the video we recorded on Snapchat. And now you can add your effects and whatever you want to add. Then you can go ahead and upload it by just tapping on the arrow at the bottom right, and now you can share it to your story, close friends, or send it to someone. So that's how you get the Disney Pixar filter on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on the video and consider subscribing for more tips, tricks and tutorials just like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.